Easy eye look with bronzer.
Did you know you can create a stunning eye look using your bronzer? All you're gonna need is your favorite bronzer and an eyeshadow brush. Take your eyeshadow brush, swirl it in your bronzer, tap off into the lid, place the brush into the middle of your socket and wipe backwards and forwards like a little windscreen wiper. With the leftover on your brush, focus a little bit more on the outer corner here. This is gonna elongate your eye upwards. To enhance the look even further, you're going to put a little bit more on your brush. You're then going to squeeze your brush so it's nice and thin, and then you're going to run this along the bottom lash line. Next, apply your favorite mascara. This is the finished look. Give this a try at home. You cannot go wrong, and I think you're going to absolutely love the effect. If you don't already know me, my name's Katie and I'm a professional makeup artist. Follow me if you want more beauty tips like this.